Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to change default browser on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. To change the default browser on your macOS, first of all, you have to install multiple browser on your system. So I already have a video on how you can install Google Chrome browser, Arc browser and Brave browser. So you can follow the videos. Once you have installed multiple browser on your macOS, simply open System Settings, click on Desktop and Dock. Here look for Default Web Browser option, and from the drop-down menu, simply select the browser you want to set as a default. And this will change the default browser on your macOS. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.